Ladies, gentlemen, everybody else, welcome to a new series on how to contact juggle, in which we look at the basics of contact juggling. Today we're in the beautiful Fairy Glen on the Black Isle. These coins are left in tribute to the fairies. In this first episode, we'll be looking at the 3 basic butterfly techniques. Let's get into it. The standard butterfly rolls over the index and middle fingertips, but to start with we will be throwing instead of rolling the ball. The catching position is here, with the fingers splayed and the middle finger slightly lower than the rest. I have a terrible habit of sticking my thumb out, but you don't need to, and it will probably look better with it tucked into the hand. When catching on the back of the hand, the position is in between the arms, and when catching in the palm, the catch is caught outside the body. To begin with, throw the ball from the palm position to the inside back of the hand position and catch it there. Then reverse the process. As you get better at throwing and catching, you start to make your throws smaller and smaller until they never fully leave the hand and instead brush over the fingertips. In effect, although it appears as if the ball never leaves your hand, the feeling is very much one of throwing and catching. The index butterfly is very similar to the standard form, but instead of rolling over the fingertips, it rolls over the edge of the index finger. Just as with the first example, we start with a throw and catch, but this time the ball is thrown pretty much horizontally and the hand is rotated at the wrist underneath it. We then go through the process of smaller and smaller throws until we get the desired rolling effect. The Pinkie Butterfly is perhaps the trickiest of these 3, as it requires a bigger hand movement. Just like the index variant, it rolls over the edge of the pinky finger, and we start with a throw and a catch. This time, we're going to throw the ball a little higher, and then move our hand round the back of the ball as it's in the air, as if we were tracing the inner circumference of the ball with our pinky. Once again, we then refine the throw and catch until it becomes a roll. The final trick today is a combination of the 2 previous techniques. We're going to start from the back of the hand and then perform a Pinkie Butterfly to bring it to the palm. The ball is then rolled across the fingers before doing an index butterfly to bring it back to the starting position. This trick feels really nice, and the slower you can get the roll along the fingertips, the better it looks. And that's it for the basic butterfly. We'll be looking at more advanced versions in a future video, so if you want more circus and juggling content, consider subscribing to the channel. The next video in the series will be looking at arm rolls. Thanks for watching and happy practicing. See you in the next one.